Yo, what's going on everybody? Thank you all for tuning in. My name is Cody Vondell and I'm here today with a very special announcement. Since the 2000s, I've built up a collection of graphic design books focused on a variety of styles that we like to work with here on my channel. So I've started a Patreon to make all of these books available to you. I'll be scanning, organizing, and posting my books a few times a month, along with links to download some of the fonts and other cool things that we discover inside of them. I'll also be sharing some exclusive vector assets. All of this will be available for just $1 a month. But if you'd really like to show your support, you can pledge $5 per month and receive early access to different assets and archives that I'm working on. You'll also be credited on screen in every video that I create moving forward. And finally, if you'd really like to get involved, you can pledge $10 a month. You'll have all of the above, plus access to a few live streams each month where I will critique, review, and conceptualize some of your ideas on screen in real time. So with that being said, there are already a few books and vector assets posted. Links are in the description. I greatly appreciate your support and I can't wait to share this wealth of creativity on my bookshelf with all of you. Stay tuned and make sure to hit that subscribe button. I have a bunch of fun tutorials on the way that you do not want to miss. I'll talk to you on my Discord and I will catch you in my next video. Thank you all.